Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today, February the 7th. Can't wait for the market to open tomorrow. So I wanted to talk to you about Workhorse. Ticker symbol WKHS. As of Friday, it was down by about 1.77%. After hours, it dropped down by about 0.52%. For the week, it's been up by 12.38%. For the month, 63.10%. The 3 months, 125.95%. For the year, 1,223%. So why I wanted to bring this company up is everybody is talking about electric vehicles, and they're in a unique space, which I'll touch a little bit about. I want to talk the good and the bad about this company. So currently, I just want to make you aware that the CEO has been selling off some shares, which doesn't look good to any investor. I can understand. You've seen your stock going up and you have a ton of shares and you need to offload and make some money, but as the CEO, I'll be very shocked. So I think beginning of January, I think he sold maybe almost 300,000 shares, and a few days ago he also sold like 25,000 shares. So that kind of doesn't bring a lot of confidence in the company. And also the directors and some of the officers have been also doing the same. We have the controller selling, the COO, and other directors selling thousands of shares. So that is one of the red flags if you're thinking about this company. On the positive note, however, I think you also need to check this company and what the rumor is. So this video is more of buy the rumor, sell the news, which is also a big risk. A quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Consult your professional and do your own due diligence when investing in the stock market. So if you've heard of Joe Biden mentioning Buy America, so Workhorse is a company which is hoping to get a contract for the USPS, the mail service in the US, and the executive order, which was signed around January the 25th, will try and boost everything made in America. And since this is an American company, most people believe that it's one of the companies positioned to get the almost $6 billion dollar deal, which will be around 180,000 delivery vans. And since also the government vehicles in the next couple of years are being proposed to be electric, the EV industry is going to be very beneficial for folks who invested way early, because then it means the adoption rate will be higher coming from the vehicles themselves, the charging stations, and then probably the recycling. So if you're thinking of investing in the EV, look into the materials used to maybe make the batteries, companies in that space. Two, the electric companies themselves, so Lucid, Fisker, Workhorse, Tesla, all these companies in the EV, and also Ford for that matter, because I think they've realized now it's a high time to get into the EV space, and I think they'll do some really great things in the coming years. And also look at the recycling of the batteries, because that's also another issue with batteries in the electric vehicles. They need to be recycled. So if you can look into different companies in those segments, I think we can see some potential in your investments, because that is an industry that's going to grow moving forward, in my opinion. So let me walk you through my position currently. So I currently have 100 shares with an average cost of $22.85. So far I have a return of 76%, and I'll also show you the stats. The volume as of Friday was 13.47 million, which is not that bad. The market cap is around $4 billion. 52-week high was 42.96, so not so far from where we are currently. And then the high for Friday was 41.27, 42.10, and then it opened at 41.27. And I think you can see what the analysts are rating it. So 57% are rating it as a buy, and these are out of 7 analysts. And then 43% hold. And you can see the last Q3 2020, they did not beat the expectations, neither did they beat Q2. So it's a very risky company to invest in, and I will offer caution. If you're thinking of investing in it, make sure you go through the financials and decide if the financials make sense for you to even invest in the first place, or if you want to bank on the rumors and sell the news once everything has been finalized and they get the contract, for example with USPS. Let's talk a little bit about history in this company. So started buying this in November 8th. So I did a call option. You can see I spent $320, got $480 back. Did another one, paid $175, made $230 from it. Then did another one, paid $490 and got $690 out of it. And then I bought some shares towards the end of November. You can see it's around $25 when I got that, and then I averaged down to the current price. And then I think I have some call option which expired worthless, then one which I made $28. So all in all, I've kind of benefited holding this company shares. But let's talk a little bit about the company for those who don't know. So Workhorse Group Inc. engages in designing and build performance battery electric vehicles and aircraft. It develops cloud-based real-time telematics performance monitoring systems. The firm operates in two divisions, automotive and aviation. The automotive division operates as an original equipment manufacturer of class 3 to 6 commercial grade medium duty truck chassis, marketed under the Workhorse brand. The aviation division offers delivery drones and Surefly multi-copter. The company was founded by Stephen S. Burns on February 20th, 2007. It is headquartered in Loveland, Ohio. The listed name for WKHS is Workhorse Group Inc. Common Stock. And you can see they have around 81 employees. Always, cross-check the company from their own website, check their press releases from there, also check the investor relations page so that you're aware of what's going on with the company that you've invested in. A quick reminder, give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. We are growing the channel real fast, and I'm really appreciative of every one of you that is supporting the channel by commenting, by using the links in the description to get free stocks with Webull. And also, if you're still using Robinhood like I am, you can get a link there. Subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate with the rate we're growing. I want to bring you really good content, and I hope that you'll stick around as we grow this channel, and then look back and remember when the channel was less than 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much. Be green, be safe, have a good Sunday, and see you on the next one.